Izumo, is it much farther to the collection office?
No. We'll see it once we get through these woods.
It's about time. What's wrong, Shikamaru? Are you worried about going up against the Akatsuki?
Oh, sorry. I was thinking. I didn't hear you.
Huh. I bet you were mentally going over what you're about to do.
Yeah. Time spent getting ready is never time wasted.
Well, you are the brains of this operation. Think us up a good strategy. After that, you can leave the rest to us. As usual, okay?
No, I can't do that. We're taking down the Akatsuki together. I can't let you pull my weight for me anymore.
Well, listen to you.
I'm always relying on you. This time it's my turn to be relied on. A rogue ninja hunt.
What's wrong, Shikamaru? Don't tell me you're scared.
I'm not scared. I was just thinking it sounds like it could get rough.
That it does. We're up against Rogue Ninja this time. Not only that, from what I hear, there are quite a lot of them.
What are they after anyway?
According to the reports we've gotten so far, they want the scrolls of forbidden jutsu that are stored here in the leaf.
Forbidden jutsu? What are they planning to do with those?
I can think of two possibilities. They could learn the jutsu and use it themselves, or...
I see. They could use it to buy their way into a certain underground organization.
Huh. I'm betting that's it. If all goes well, we may be able to use this mission to bust open that underground organization.
Huh. We'd better keep our eyes and ears open then. The advance party's over that way. Looks like it's showtime.
Come on, Shikamaru. We'll stop them.
Right. What a drag, but complaining isn't an option this time.
Mission start.
All right, we should spot the enemy soon.
You said there were a lot of them, and there's just 2 of us. Will this work?
Hey, no worries. One of us is me.
Easy for you to say, but failure isn't usually an option on these missions.
So, they've sniffed us out already.
Are you the band of rogue ninja that's after the forbidden jutsu?
Leaf Ninja, huh? I don't know what you think you can do about it, seeing as there's only 2 of you.
I don't think they're gonna listen to you.
Guess we get to punish him a bit then. Come on, Shikamaru.
Right. We're gonna make sure this mission succeeds.
Shikamaru, wanna see which one of us can take down the most rogue ninja?
Now? You gotta be kidding, Asuma.
No, I'm not kidding at all. At times like this, remembering to have fun is especially important.
Yeesh. Not having enough fun is the least of my worries right now.
They're playing us for fools! Crush them!
How do you like that? Shadow stitching do? How do you like this? Shadow stitching
That's it!
Not bad.
Don't think this is over.
So, it sounds like there may be others.
Yeah, let's look around.
Asuma, I found the other rogue ninja.
Great, let's put him down.
Got it.
Shikamaru, remember what I mentioned earlier?
Something about having fun?
Right. Sure, we need to put serious effort into our missions. Sometimes we even put our lives on the line. But you know, if you're always uptight, someday you'll snap. As long as you're a ninja, you'll always have troubles coming your way. You need to create some emotional elbow room for yourself to relax in.
Elbow room, huh? I've got my hands full just trying to complete the mission.
You'll understand someday. These guys can't be the main force.
No way. This bunch is too weak to be going after the forbidden jutsu.
Well, Shikamaru, what do you think?
There are more of them than we expected. We'll hunt them out and beat them down as we find them. If all goes well, we'll be able to pinpoint the main force early on.
All right. Let's go with that plan then.
Hey, are you sure? You don't want to discuss it first, or,
It was your idea. Don't you trust it?
No, it's not that, but
In that case, have a little more confidence in yourself. Because your brain is a much faster model than mine. Not bad. Well, Shikamaru, are you managing to have fun yet?
give me some time. It's not gonna be that easy. Looks like these weren't our boys either.
Shadow stitching.
Well, let's just be patient until we find the main force.
Just be patient. You sure that's best?
All right, let's take them all out at once.
Shadow stitching.
I'm surprised they're able to throw this many units at us. Clearly their organization is big.
Shadow stitching.
Their numbers lend credence to the reports that they're after the forbidden jutsu. Having more people isn't necessarily a good thing, though.
Shadow stitching.
Right. The bigger your organization, the harder it is to control. And these are all rogue ninja who've abandoned their own villages. If all we're fighting is an unruly mob, there's nothing to worry about. Let's finish them off.
Shadow stitching kick.
Not bad.
You won't make it back alive.
Looks like they've got us surrounded.
That's only a problem if we decide we need to run. Right now, we're the ones chasing them. Taking them all on at once will save us time. They're doing us a favor.
I think we found the main force.
Right. We'll have to brace ourselves for this.
Well, I can see where you'd be a little tense here. But remember what I said?
Emotional elbow room, right?
That's right. Don't you forget it.
I still think it's easy for him to say. But okay, I'll try.
Listen up, Shikamaru. If you only remember one thing, make it this. Only bet your life when you can entrust it to somebody you trust.
One I can entrust it to.
Right. Until then, remember your emotional elbow room.
If this keeps up, we'll...
The one who appears to be their leader just ran off.
Asuma, go after him! I'll hold him here.
Will you be alright by yourself, Shikamaru?
Yeah, they're not so tough. I'll manage.
Alright, I'll be right back. Don't do anything rash while I'm away.
Come up with a better plan next time.
Mission complete.
I got separated from Asuma somehow. But...
Impossible. How do we end up coming this far?
You're not getting away. I've got some things I want to ask you.
You're pretty good. But you're not good enough yet.
Oh.
You're in too deep. You're on our turf now.
They were luring me in.
Sad to say your journey ends here.
No. That'd be yours.
Asuma!
That was a close shave. Well, at least you learned something, right, Shikamaru? You don't need a sermon from me, do you? You're good at putting lessons like this into action. What? Was it that much of a shock when they almost got you?
No. It isn't that. It's not that.
Huh?
Asuma saved me. Again. No matter how much time passes, I'm still... Asuma.
Shikamaru. Hey, Shikamaru, what's the matter? You've been weird for a while now. You okay?
Sorry, I was thinking. I'm fine.
Cooking up another strategy, huh? Good. Our next opponents won't be easy.
Well, they are, the Akatsuki.
In any case, keep on your toes. No matter what happens, don't let your guard down.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go.
I was always being protected. Always relying on you. But now it's my turn to be reliable. I'll protect you. No matter what.